Fortunately, not the case for us here at home. Meteorologist Dave Warren here with our forecast.
Yes, tried to keep it dry today. There's some drier air that moved in. You saw the sunshine, the clouds out there, but just enough moisture, and one or two showers have developed here in Broward County. Crossing over 95, there's 595, the Turnpike, Lauderdale Lakes. If you're west of this, a brief shower will occur. A little more activity there is just off the coast. What's happening here is the air going over some of the islands in the Bahamas. They're heating up and triggering these showers, and they're holding together as they cross the Atlantic and make it to the East Coast. There's the sea breeze showers. Gulf Coast breeze fighting that southeast breeze that you're feeling out there today. So it's pinned right up against the Gulf Coast, and it will stay there here across the area. That's our picture there over Biscayne Bay. Looks sunny with just a few clouds. Our temperatures are into the mid to low 80s here, so it warmed up today. But the moisture that we had yesterday, that cleared out. The satellite can actually detect the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, and look at all the dry air that came in and is right overhead. There's the moisture with those showers along the Gulf Coast. Visible satellite picture showing the streams of clouds developing there over Bimini, and right in there, that moisture, we're seeing a few showers, one or two spots. They hold together and they'll work through the area. The majority of the rain staying here, and overnight tonight, maybe a stray shower or two. A similar breeze out of the southeast, picking up some moisture there from the Atlantic with that dry air overhead, though. Very, very limited showers in the forecast tomorrow. That's what you'll wake up to. That's what you'll enjoy Easter. Evening forecast calling for the showers again along the Gulf Coast. Maybe just a few clouds here along the East Coast. Those storms staying inland of Broward and Miami-Dade. So you can see the towering clouds in the western sky. Overnight tonight, mainly dry. Again, there's one or two spots that might get a brief shower. And things will calm down tonight. Nice night. Temperatures are into the upper 70s. Clouds around tomorrow morning, passing through the area to start 77 up to 82. Warm sunshine up to 84 degrees. 2 to 3 foot seas there on the water with that east to southeast wind, 10 to 15 knots. 2 to 3 foot seas there in the Keys as well. Things get very interesting starting Monday. 87 degrees, so we do warm up, but there's a front just to the north. There's the warm air. The moisture comes back. We'll have showers in the forecast. The front works its way south, gets a little closer on Tuesday, where we will start to see those showers develop, and then the breeze picks up and works its way south through the area. So gusty breeze develops Tuesday after the rain showers. It is very windy Wednesday, and with the breeze coming out of the northeast, temperatures don't cool off much despite it being a cold front on the map. We're just into the mid to low 80s Wednesday and Thursday. A little calmer on Friday. A few showers are in the forecast for next weekend.